Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can hide comments on your Lucidchart diagrams in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your diagram. Let me leave a comment here in that example diagram for the sake of this tutorial. To do that, right click into the given document or canvas, or you can also right click in a specific element and place the comment just next to the element. So select add comment from the drop down menu or use the shortcut C. Enter your comment or type it here, post it by clicking into this button, and you will see your comment here so that your co-editors who have access or have been given access to the given diagram or project may be given the opportunity to reply to the comment. Now, if you'd like to hide these comments, you will see this here in the top right corner of the given element. You will need to access your document settings. Right click into it in the canvas, select document settings or use that shortcut here. And after that, navigate to commenting on the left and disable the show comments feature. You can do this also for notes if you like. And as you can see, the comments tab or small icon here has disappeared. So the comment has been hidden. It has not disappeared. You may enable it at any time through your document settings again. But as you can see, it has been hidden and now it has been re-enabled again. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.